What's going on? Mr. Blue Ocean FX back with another breakdown. Um, Let me see here before I dive right into it. Okay. Okay, so let's get into this quick breakdown on AUDNZD. You turn my camera on. Don't mind the rope. Okay. Don't mind the rope at all, but I just want to show you guys that we are actively in the trade. Okay. We're on a GBP Jappy buy and AUDNZD buy, which you're seeing on the screen now. I I like to show that only not to impress you, but to impress upon you what's possible in the forex markets. Um, as long as you put in the time, don't quit, and don't let the losses deter you from what the bigger picture. But let's turn this camera off and let's jump right into it. Okay. So, as always, like I always say, the market is ranging 75 to 80% of the time. So your possibilities are within choppy areas or consolidation. That's where most of your trades will come. You're in some type of consolidation at all times. Okay. So obviously you can see here. Let me just go on a higher time frame. Overall, we're just moving sideways. Okay. And yes, we had these two whiplashes here, but overall, kind of boxed in from the 1.1091 up until the 1.0963 area, kind of whipsawing back and forth in here. However, I did see a buying opportunity. If you look on the daily time frame, you can see these higher lows here. You have this lower low here that swept all these lows at the 1.0969 area, swept them, went as low as 1.0935 area. At that point, we got a lower high point, and then we had a higher low at the 1.0997, then another higher low at the 1.1016, and then our current one here at the 1.1042 area. Okay, I saw that on the daily time frame, scaled down to H4. You can also see it here. Again, the markets are fractal. So what you see on the higher time frames, as you zoom in, it's the same thing, just I guess more noise for people that are not too familiar with markets. But you see this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You got a nice double bottom here. They did sweep some stops. You can see here with this low point here. So I then scaled down to the M30. Let's get rid of this. Oops, I need that. I need to get rid of that here. Okay, whatever. Well, I saw this nice push down. We had lower low highs. We had this nice lower low here on the M30 time frame at the 1.1045 area. Swept the lows of 1.1047 area. Okay. And obviously people had stop losses here. Again, the market's always looking for liquidity. Stop loss here at the 1.1067, 1.1079, and then our final one here, which we were targeting to go above and sweep these last highs here, and possibly even this high here at the 1.1099. But we're going to play a short position here for a 1.5 that we're currently in. Again, we saw this nice impulse move. Again, as always, pay attention to the volume above our average here. Nice massive push above the resistance at 1.1064. We broke, came back, retested those levels. Okay. And then we got a nice push, close above this resistance area at the 1.1075. Nice closure with volume, as always. So we entered here, placed our stops right under the 1.1064, and now we're targeting the 1.1092, which should get hit. Is only 16 pips. However, we will continue to monitor the trade and see how the M15 and M5 are unfolding. If we see any break of structures on M5, I will close. However, I do not see it happening because of the market structure we're seeing on the daily. Okay. Again, pay attention to how the daily is building. If you see it here on the left side, chop, impulse higher, fake out, came down, impulse lower, took out both sides, stops here on the buy side, stops here on the sell side, and then we're climbing up, okay? Which I know most people probably got fooled because of this last daily closure yesterday. However, structure is everything. So we got these higher low points, higher low points, higher low points. So I do believe we'll sweep above here, possibly even coming up above 1.1173. However, for now, I'm just looking for this nice target at the 1.1090 area. And I'll see you guys on the next one.